Mupurisa top cop, linked to abductions, reportedly battles mental illness. The 18th of August 2025, by a correspondent, Crispin Makindenge, the former head of the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, Criminal Investigations Department, CID, Law and Order Division in Harare, is reportedly battling mental illness after years of notoriety, as one of the most feared figures under the late President Robert Mugabe's rule. Makindenge rose to prominence as a ruthless enforcer of state repression, accused of presiding over abductions, torture, and harassment of opposition politicians, civil society groups, and independent journalists. Under his leadership, the Law and Order section became synonymous with arbitrary arrests, prolonged detentions, and brutal interrogations, often working hand in glove with the Central Intelligence Organization, CIO. A recent image of Makindenge, circulated by Crime Watch Zim, shows him in poor health, sparking widespread debate on social media. Many Zimbabweans interpreted his condition as ngozi, spiritual atonement, or karmic justice for the suffering inflicted on others. Among the most prominent cases tied to his name is that of opposition politician Job Sikala, who has repeatedly accused Makindenge of torturing him during interrogations, including through electrocution. Despite the abuse, Sikala recently remarked that he would still choose to show Makindenge love and kindness. Journalists were also frequent targets. Several now working in independent media have recalled Makindenge's raids, arrests, and intimidation campaigns, describing them as part of a broader state effort to silence investigative journalism and protect Mugabe's regime. The latest revelations about Makindenge's mental health struggles have reignited a national conversation on justice and accountability. While some Zimbabweans see his condition as a fitting consequence of past cruelty, others stress that Zimbabwe still lacks a formal transitional justice mechanism to address decades of abuses committed by state security agencies. For now, Makindenge's decline remains a symbol of how unchecked power, once wielded to instill fear, can eventually turn inward on its own enforcers.